Ready to conquer the stock market but terrified of losing your shirt? Gocharting's paper trading feature is your safety net, allowing you to simulate real trades without risking a single penny. Let's dive in. First, locate the trading panel on your Gocharting platform. It's usually found on the right-hand side, but its position may vary based on your customized layout. Next, click on the Connect Broker button. A window will pop up showing a list of available brokers. From the list, select Paper Trading. This connects you to Gocharting's simulated trading environment. Once connected, you'll see your paper trading account details, including your initial virtual balance. This is the money you'll be using to practice. Now, let's place a trade. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade. Specify the quantity of shares, and select your desired order type, like a market or limit order. Click the Buy or Sell button to execute your paper trade. A confirmation window will appear. Double-check your order details and confirm. To monitor your active trades, navigate to the Positions tab here. You'll see your open positions, profit, loss, and other relevant details. The Order History tab allows you to review your past paper trades, providing valuable insights into your trading performance. That's it. You're now equipped to practice and refine your trading strategies with Gocharting's paper trading feature. Remember, consistent practice leads to confident trading. Happy trading!